How to see Snapchat stories without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see Snapchat stories without them knowing on Android or iOS device. Now, as you know, if you open up Snapchat app and head into your chats or head into someone's stories, you'll be able to look at the stories, but they'll get notified that you have done so. Now, to avoid it, the only way or the only option is to create a fake account or a dummy account and log in through that account. Now you can tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on the settings icon and scroll all the way down below and log out. And once you log out, you'll be able to create another account or log in to another account. You can create a dummy account, or if you have one, you can log into that and then view the story of the person by adding them. So this is the only way you can view stories without them knowing, because they won't be knowing that you have viewed it. Through your main profile, you can create a fake account and view it. Due to Instagram security reasons, you won't be able to breach its security, so there's absolutely no way. And even if you do it so through the third-party apps or websites, your account might get suspended or banned, and I wouldn't recommend you to do so. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.